A quick glimpse of full makeup prep and final look. Using Nivea Moisturiser, I always make sure my skin is well hydrated before starting any makeup. Correcting my dark pigmented areas and under eyes using the Insight Pro Concealer Palette. In with the Nars foundation, I'm using very small amount because I don't need extra coverage today. Concealer already gives a very good coverage, so this is just to bring everything together. Skipping liquid blush for this look, the powder blush I'm using is honestly one of the best, so I don't need a lot, just a soft flush on the cheeks. Coming to the most important part of this makeup, the eyes. You already seen the eye look, so I'll show you how I created it. Starting with the waterline eyeliner first, then move on to the eyelid and the winged eyeliner. This technique makes the eyeliner much easier and more controlled. Starting with a simple wing and then add one curved liner stroke to make it more dramatic. Removing excess eyeliner because I'm going to put kajal or white eyeliner in the waterline. After finishing the liner, I'm using eyelash glue to stick rhinestones on my nose like a chain. You can use an actual chain if you want, but I'm using rhinestones to keep it more shimmery and lightweight. For the lips, I'm lining them with the dark brown Swiss Beauty lip liner. I'm not using a lipstick today. Instead, I'm using another lip liner as a lipstick, just to add soft tint without making it too heavy. Now I'm using Hojo Silver highlighter on my cupid bow, brown bow, cheekbones and the bridge of my nose for a glossy, shiny finish. Decided to add lenses at the end, and honestly the look felt completely complete after that. And here's before and after look. Tell me if you want a lens haul in my next video, and also I'll pin all the products I used in the description. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.